Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can download and install skins in OSU. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, open up your browser and then you need to go to osuskins.net, right? And then you should see a similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And the next thing that you can do here, you need to basically select the skin. So for example, I like Mr. Boom, and then download it to your computer, desktop for example. And after you do that, then go to desktop and basically enter the file here, and OSU will run. And if you want to then apply skin, go to options and then this little pencil icon here or brush icon, and then under the skin, as you can see here, you can change and install change your installed skins here, and then you can basically preview here, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.